Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to activate the remote start function on your BMW. This is a patch over OBD with FSC code that you can buy on our website. The link is in the description. You'll need three things: a BMW Ethernet cable, a laptop, and a stable internet connection. First, plug the Ethernet cable into the car and connect it to your laptop. Once it's connected, you need to enter diagnostic mode in your car. Here's a quick video showing you how to do that.
Keep your foot off the brake. Press once to wake the car up. Then press 3 times. That's it.
Next, we need to add the FSC code and code the car for 1CR Remote Start. For this, we use the BMW ASIS program. I'll show you step by step how to do it. In our case, we're using the ASIS Ultra Launcher, but you can use any other ASIS launcher that you like. Once ASIS is open, the first thing we need to do is connect it to the car. We click on Connect. As you can see, the car was detected. We can see the VIN number, so we click Connect again. Click OK. First, we make a full backup. Click on Full Backup and create a backup of the car. Now let's move on to uploading the FSC. We click on Expert Mode, then FSC Extended. Now upload the FSC file we sent you. Select the engine control unit address and click Identify. After that, you need to store the FSC. We click Store FSC, then check FSC, and finally click Start. And there you go. You can see that the FSC was added successfully. Now you need to code the car's control units according to the equipment. We go back to Expert Mode, click on Coding, then click Read, and Save. Now click Edit. Here we need to add the equipment code 1CR. Click on Salapa, and here we add comma 1CR. Click Apply, and Save. Then go back, and click Yes. And as you can see, 1CR has been successfully added. Now we need to save this configuration to the car. Go to Expert Mode, VCM, select the vehicle order we just saved. Right-click on the folder, choose Calculate FP, and check if 1CR appears. Then we click Master tab, write FA, FP. As you can see, FA and FP have been written successfully. Then we go back to Expert Mode, Coding, read the configuration again by clicking Read, then click Save. We check once more that 1CR is still there. Now we need to code 8 control units. Click Read ECU, and we will start from the BCD. Right-click on BCD, choose Read Coding Data, then expand the BDC folder, expand OBD Relevant, right-click on the file, and choose Edit NCD. Here we add all the necessary functions for Remote Start. You can find the full list of functions on our website. The link is in the description. After adding everything, click Save, go back, and click Code MCD. We have to repeat the same process for all the control units according to the information on our website. I will leave the full list of all 8 blocks in the description below. Once all modules are coded, we need to activate Remote Start on the head unit. Here you can see a short video on how to do that. To activate Remote Start in your head unit, click Climate menu, then click Settings, Preconditioning, and Toggle on. That's it. Coding is now finished. We click Close Connection. Thank you for watching. For more information about us and our services, you can find on our website, Facebook, and Instagram. All links are in the description.